Hello, my dear students. Helping people in need and donating things to them. Have you ever thought of donating CDs or books or clothes? Now, donating things is a very good habit. You know, sometimes you have belongings that you don't use anymore or you don't need anymore. So it's a good idea to donate these things to people in need, whether in your city or outside your city. That makes you a good charitable person. In the next part, we are going to listen to two girls talking about donating CDs or books to people in a home. See you in the next part.